Hey guys, it's Misa Anu here, and today I'm just going to be doing a slime collection, and this is my first video, so yeah. So the first one is this purple glitter slime. It's made out of clear glue, which I let you guys see just a little.
You can check out Sean's room. This is Mommy's closet. She goes, please don't show people my closet. Well, too bad. I'm showing them your messy closet. Unlike my super clean closet over here. Yeah, well, whatever. This is our bathroom.
Okay, this is the purple slime.
We poop, we pee. Why, that's funny. Shower and here is our sink.
Okay, sorry if you can hear TV. My sister is watching my TV. Okay. The next slime is a butter slime. It is a blue butter slime.
This is our jacuzzi that's kind of broken.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just needed to go do something real quick. Okay. So, this is the blue butter slime. So, yeah. Hey, Walker's on Lucas. Okay.
Girls watch football. Jake, answer number 14. X squared is this history.
Okay. This one is a pretty good butter slime. So, this is since it's kind of dark in here, it's not black, it's blue. I need more light. Let me just turn on this light. Okay, is that better? Kind of, okay. You guys can see that it's blue, kind of. Okay, this is a simple purplish bluish slime, so I need better lighting. Okay, so this is just a purplish bluish normal slime. It's a pretty good slime, I can say, but it's pretty simple, so yeah. Oh my god, it's so loud. Okay, that should be good. Next slime is a black slime. This black slime is a pretty good slime. Oh, it looks so glossy. Oh yeah, because this slime that I showed you guys is a glossy slime. And this one. Like, look at how glossy this is. I don't even want to touch it and ruin it, since it's so glossy. Next slime is a black butter slime. The base of this is that slime that I just showed you guys. And this one is not that glassy as butter slime's not supposed to be glossy, but this one is like pretty glossy. This is made out of dicer clay. Okay. I have another butter slime, which is a pink butter slime. Okay. Let it spread. So yeah. And this is also made with dicer clay. So yeah guys, this is the pink butter slime. Oh no. The next slime is this greenish, bluish slime. On camera it just looks green, but it's not. This is a pretty thin slime. I can say that, but oh my god, just got it on me. I accidentally got some food coloring on here, but that's okay. And I just made this today, so yeah. Okay. Oh, this piece of it looks cool. Okay. So I'm not gonna be taking this out because like the glitter falls out. Oh no. Well, this is a jiggly slime slash glitter slime. Sorry. Yeah. The next slime is this blue butter slime. Here it is. Okay. This is made out of not dicer clay. It's made out of this clay called hardy clay, or hardy clay, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying not to waste all of trying not to use that much space, so I'm kind of rushing. Okay, here's a pink slime. So this pink slime is just pretty simple. So yeah, that was that slime. Then I have this slime. So yeah, guys, this is a purple slime. It's a purple glitter slime with some and it has some foam beads and some googly eyes. And it's not really. Oh, sorry guys, it's not really big. So yeah, guys, this is that slime. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, guys, bye guys, see you later.